Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft Java not launching. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Now check my video description for this run command. Just copy and paste it and click on OK. In here you just need to find launcher underscore profile.json file. Launcher underscore profile.json. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting it, just close off here. It will be recreated upon relaunch. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the Minecraft launcher and select open file location. Copy this file path. After copying it, just close off here and go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select the browse option. Paste the path we copied and press enter. Scroll down and select tlauncher.exe and select add option. After adding it, select options and select this to high performance and select save. And now just to close stuff here and right click on the tlauncher and select run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, if you are using mods, you just need to temporarily remove them to see if they are causing the problem. You just need to navigate to .minecraft folder. Here you just need to double click on the mods folder. In here you need to move all the files to different location. After moving all the mod files to different location, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.